Hey, we're on a break at the moment. So, do you know what? There's nobody around. Matt's gone to the bathroom. Miss Lee, she's gone to get my laundry done. So I'm going to show you something exciting. Do you want to see? I've covered it up here. I've covered it up. But don't tell. I have got 4 new stamp sets. Four new stamp sets. Look at this. Ready? This one. Oh, Sunshine Girl. That's what she's called. Look, there she is. There's the girl. There's half a sunflower. And there's her head. Do you know what this head was? That was the top of a turnip. I don't know what you call them over here. Swede, I think. That's what it was. Anyway, Sunshine Girl. And she's gorgeous. Big stamps. I wanted big stamps again. This one is called Sunday Best. This was the one I made in memory of my mum. So we have the lovely girl in her Sunday Best coat. She has some beautiful wings and she has her straw hat on. My mum used to wear a straw hat to school, Catholic school. So that's in homage to her. This one here, what do you think? Can you see through? It's like that game. This one you won't tell. There we go. This is seed pods. I work a lot from, have a lot of old seed catalogues and encyclopedias and things. So this is seed pods and we've got the 3 little heads in there. There's an extra one because I also thought they would be cool at Christmas hanging down as baubles. So that's that one. And you have been chewing my ear off for ages. Mushrooms, more toadstools. How many more do you want? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 toadstools. Is that enough for you? Fabulous. So I'm excited. So excited. I've never done a mid-release of stamps before, but here they are. So I'm going to show you some samples. I'll have to be quick before they come back. So here's some samples I made. Some of them are just, I've not got around to colouring them yet, and some are finished. So this one is using 2 of the seed pods. So you can see I took these 2. The little stalks there, and they're on bend, so you can have them go in different ways. So very simple, and a couple of the leaves. This one is Sunshine Girl, but what I did, I actually cut her legs off and twisted her. So her body's still in that position, if you can see, but I've moved the legs round, and she sat on some of the toadstools, and she's got that head on the top. This one, oh, and the little, where is it? Oh, he's on here. The little bugs. Look on the toadstools. Again, Sunday Best. She's there. 2 of the sunflowers on the side. This time, I've actually made the sunflower into flower. So I've used the sunflower with the stalk of the toadstool and then just put her head on top. And the little spider's got a little wing. So those are all the ones ready to colour. And then here, I just thought, you know, toadstools don't always have to be red. So I did this one in the blues. Again, Sunshine Girl. Now this time I didn't cut her, I just tilted her. So can you see? She's just on a tilt and I've got her sitting on the toadstools. All these backgrounds were actually done on the jelly plate. I made all the backgrounds first and then I just filled them up with these and I used my silhouettes. And these are all coloured in with the inks. My inks in Tim's waterbrush. Here's another one. I thought this looked quite Halloweeny. So loads of toadstools cut out there, little spider on the top. I have a thing about grey at the moment. Look, I'm painting everybody with grey hair. Do you think that means I should go grey? What do you reckon? Orange or grey? We'll decide later. Here we have the sunflower. So it's 1/2, but if you do it twice, it makes a whole sunflower. Really simple to do. And I've used the wings as the leaves there. Here, again, there was a silhouette in the background, and I've used the whole thing as a head with a wing, and one there. Sunday Best, she stood in a field of the toadstools. All I did was stamp one lot, and then I cut this one out. I cut this separately, so I just separated them. Again, gel press background and a silhouette in the back. Again, 2 more of the seed pods with loads of the toadstools. I took these and I cut them out 1/2 and 1/2. And piled them up against each other. And then I've 1 more here, Sunshine Girl laying flat. So she's laid in the field of toadstools. She's got a wing, grey hair again, you see. She's got all the toadstools round and the little caterpillar. And then I have actually done as well, you're not supposed to see this, but you have. Look, there we go. There's Sunshine Girl. She's got a different head on. She's leaning on some toadstools. There's lots of toadstools around her. She's got the 2 little seed pods. And this is one of the leaves from here, and you can see all the critters Got all the little critters here. All the little critters are around. So I've made a whole scene. I hope you love them. They'll be available on the Stampers Anonymous now. Okay? So, oh, yeah, nothing. I'm not doing anything.